our family trip to New York City. See iconic sights and unforgettable memories in one of the world's most vibrant destinations with us.
Children, wake up early tomorrow for our trip to New York. Yay! It's travel day! We are going to New York today? Brush your teeth and grab your backpacks.
Mom, I finished packing my bag.
This travel guide takes your family on an exciting journey through New York City, filled with must-see landmarks.
What are you doing, dear?
I want to take the sweater with me, Dad. I like the sweater much. Can I take this purple hat too, Dad?
I want to take my scarf with me, Dad. Can I take it, please?
Okay, take whatever you want.
Don't pack too much of clothes.
Mom, how does this look on me?
That's good. Are you done packing, dear? Okay, let's get ready to go now. Come, let's go now.
Mom, look, Artex, he is waiting for us.
Let's sit here till the train arrives.
Okay.
Train is a fun journey. You will enjoy it.
What noise? Dad, I hear the train coming. Do you hear it, Dad?
Yes, I hear it, loud and clear.
Mom, how long is it going to take?
We'll be here soon.
Get in slowly, dear.
Mom, look at those buildings.
Look outside. The scenery is changing so quickly. That's the beauty of a train journey. You don't just reach the destination, you enjoy every moment along the way.
Oh yeah, beautiful, isn't it?
So, finally, New York. This way.
Are we taking the taxi, Mom?
Yes, dear.
Dad, is that our hotel there?
This is going to be our cozy home in New York City.
Wow, look at the traffic here.
Oh, it's gold.
Yes, it is cold, but you have worn warm clothes. You are comfortable.
Look at the view. It's amazing.
Look at the beautiful lights around. They are so colorful. I really love them. Mom, let's sit here.
Come, let's sit down here.
Which place do we visit here tomorrow?
Dad, let's go to Times Square tomorrow. It's right here.
Okay then, Times Square tomorrow.
All right, everyone. Ready for our sightseeing
Yay!
adventure?
Yay! Yay!
I'm ready, Mom.
Oh wow, look, the squeeze is so beautiful.
Hey, look! A cute little squirrel. Hey, what are you doing?
Didn't I tell you it's slippery? Be careful, you'll fall. Good. Hold my hand and watch your step.
I'm taking pictures. Look here.
Beautiful. Looks nice.
Get your phone, take some pictures. Smile, everyone. Let's capture this moment forever.
Mom, I'm feeling so tired now. I am going to sit here for some time.
Look there. So many people here.
Yes, Mom.
Wow, we're finally at Times Square. Look at all the bright lights and huge screens. There are so many people. It's like a festival. Let's take lots of photos so we remember every bit of this place.
Oh, this place is so big. I will get lost here.
Stay close, everyone, and soak in the energy of this amazing spot. Happy New Year, everyone! Yay! Fireworks and balloons! All right, team, let's start walking back to our hotel. I'm tired, but that was so much fun. Tomorrow, a new adventure awaits. Let's rest now. Time to recharge. Let's change into comfy clothes and get ready for bed. Good night, everyone. I hope we dream of more adventures.